Best deals.
1. Jars. Each container features a see-through window that allows you to easily see the contents inside without opening the lid. This helps you maintain storage and reduce the hassle of searching through multiple containers while cooking. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Brush. Superior quality dense bristles specially flagged at ends for cleaning. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Kadai. Made from 100% natural cast iron, ensuring a healthy cooking experience. Free from chemicals and toxins, it enhances the nutritional value of your dishes. Adds essential iron content to your meals, helping to combat iron deficiency. Ideal for health-conscious cooks who want both delicious flavors and essential nutrients. Perfect for deep frying, sautéing, simmering, and more. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Tope. Works perfectly on induction, gas, electric and ceramic cooktops. Combines food-grade 304 stainless steel with a thick aluminum core for even heating and durability. Has easy, secure grip for effortless cooking. Thick lid locks in moisture and flavors. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Lunch box. Features a durable PP lid with a 4-way locking mechanism and a silicone seal to prevent spills and keep food fresh longer in this airtight container. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Dosa tawa. Pure aluminium construction with a glossy porcelain exterior for easy cleanup and is scratch resistant. The dosa tawa is suitable for gas stovetop. It is not suitable for induction. It is oven safe up to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Oil dispensers. Crafted from premium stainless steel, this 1-liter oil dispenser provides unmatched durability and rust resistance, ensuring a long-lasting addition to your kitchen. Its robust construction safeguards your oil can for kitchen use. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Spice box. Crafted from food-safe acacia wood with a natural finish that gets more beautiful with use. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Paniyaram pan. Made from 100% natural cast iron cookware, this cast iron paniyaram pan is a 100% healthy cookware, food safe without chemicals, coatings or toxins. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Steamer. Designed for making soft idlis, mini idlis, dokla, modak, dumplings, and steaming vegetables. Perfect for preparing healthy meals with minimal oil. Comes with 4 idli plates with 9 idli slots each along with a mini idli plate, allowing you to cook multiple idlis at once for family meals. Made from high-quality food-grade stainless steel that is rust-resistant. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Lunch box. Comes with flat and sturdy base. This clip tiffin box is made from good quality food-grade stainless steel, which makes it durable and strong. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Peeler. Smart design with an attached storage box to collect peels instantly, keeping your kitchen neat and clean. Made with premium stainless steel blades for smooth peeling. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Bowls. They are made with our proprietary biocomposite technology with good durability. They are food contact safe, microwave safe, and dishwasher safe. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Storage basket. The basket folds easily when not in use, saving valuable space in tight areas like laundry rooms, bathrooms, and closets. Designed with multiple compartments to separate children's and adults' clothing, light and dark garments, or towels and toiletries. Smooth rolling 360 degrees wheels make movement effortless. Brake locks provide stability when needed, ensuring secure and safe use. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Kettle. Simplify your meal prep and save precious time with the ability to boil, cook, and steam using just one appliance, perfect for busy moms like you. With 600 watts of power, the electric kettle cum cooker heats up rapidly, allowing you to prepare delicious meals quickly and giving you more time to focus on other important tasks. The steaming function locks in nutrients in vegetables and other foods, ensuring you can provide your loved ones the healthiest and most nutritious meals possible. The stainless steel inner and removable trays make cleaning up a breeze, giving you more time to relax and enjoy quality moments with your family after a delicious meal. No need to buy additional accessories for various cooking tasks, as the included steamer for momos and vegetables and boiler trays for idli and eggs make this a convenient and cost-effective solution for busy moms like you. Not just for hot drinks, this kettle is a boon for boiling eggs and preparing a variety of quick meals, making it a multi-purpose tool in your culinary arsenal. With its built-in dry boil protection, this kettle automatically shuts off when empty, ensuring safety in your busy kitchen. A reliable feature for peace of mind, perfect for multitasking moms. Designed for the busy mom, its 1-liter capacity is ample for quick meals or multiple cups of coffee, yet compact enough not to crowd your kitchen counter. This kettle strikes the perfect balance between rapid heating and energy efficiency, making it an eco-conscious choice for the modern household. Compact and lightweight, it's the perfect travel companion for holidays, business trips, or outdoor adventures, ensuring you always have access to hot meals and drinks. Celebrated by users for its reliability, ease of use, and versatility, it's a proven essential for students, travelers, and busy parents, affirming its value and functionality. Versatile and multifunctional, boil water, prepare instant meals, or use the included egg tray to boil up to 7 eggs simultaneously for quick and convenient cooking. Durable stainless steel build, food grade 304 stainless steel body with matte finish, detachable glass lid, wide mouth design, and concealed heating element for easy cleaning and long-lasting use. Smart and safe operation, equipped with auto cutoff, dry boil protection, overheat safety, double protection controller, and high-quality thermostat for safe and reliable performance. User-friendly design, features a temperature control knob, light indicator, 360 degrees rotating detachable base, volume markings, 1.2 meters cord with cord winder, and copper wire conductor for efficient functionality. Electric multi-kettle is designed to make your cooking experience easy, quick, and versatile. With a range of features tailored to enhance your cooking and boiling tasks, this electric kettle is a valuable addition to your kitchen. The Borosil Quick Electric Multi-Kettle is your solution for quick and efficient cooking and boiling. It's not just a kettle, it's a versatile kitchen companion designed to make your culinary tasks a breeze. Enjoy the convenience and safety of Borosil in your kitchen. Make tea, coffee, instant noodles, boil eggs, or steam veggies, all in one compact appliance that saves time and effort. Wide mouth with glass lid for easy cleaning and serving, hassle-free access for cleaning, filling, and pouring. See-through lid adds a stylish touch. Product link is given in the 15th link.